Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the new DaYan Pyraminx from the cubicle.us. Let's open this up. So I got some nice stickers here. Okay, I guess it needs breaking in or something. It's weird because like there's ball bearings instead of on the Moe Pyraminx and Shenshao. They have the ball bearings on the sides of the centerpieces, but they have it like inside of here, so that changes the feel a bunch. I'm not a big fan of stickers. They're pretty small. Set. The shades are okay. Yeah, this probably needs blood breaking in and lubing. Like, I think it's catching up here. I might need a floor mod.